Hello, I'm Cy, the IT Guy Williams of Team Logic IT of Orlando. I'm here with Dr. John Stiteler of Total Health Guidance. Dr. John, can you tell us what Total Health Guidance does?
We are a comprehensive counseling and wellness center located here in Orlando, Florida. And we treat people from the emotional health, the physical health, financial health, spiritual health, kind of an integrated perspective towards total health.
So why do people come to Total Health Guidance?
And most people come to us for the realities because they have some kind of pain in their life. Whether that's physical pain, like, man, I've gained too much weight lately, or a physical chronic back pain or neck pain or headaches, or it could be emotional pain, like I hit rock bottom in my addiction, or I started having panic attacks, I'm not sure why, or my depression. It could be relational pain, like I had a big blow-up fight with my wife, or maybe I'm not sure the relationship I'm in, is it going to work out or not?
So what do you guys do differently?
Great question. What we do differently is we treat people from a holistic, integrated approach. Okay. Now I know you hear that term a lot, holistic, or the phrase mind, body, spirit. And it's a great concept. Very few people actually do that though. What we do is we look at somebody from the whole picture. So rather than somebody just treating one part of your body, we take a step back and look at all of you. Okay, what's going on? If you're coming in for a headache, okay, is there underlying stress? Is there, are you out of alignment? You know, what's going on? Is there an emotional issue that's underneath that? So we want to look at the big picture.
What type of results are you seeing by looking at the big picture? Okay.
Our goal is to get to sustainable relief and freedom. That's what we want from our client. So we want them to walk away with long-term lasting relief. So we've had clients that have had addictions, and we do detox in our office, and we do the addiction treatment, and they've walked away, and now they've been years free from their addiction to cocaine, or it could be an eating disorder, or whatever the addiction is. They have long-term health. If it's relational issues, they've dealt with the underlying traumas and maybe that inner child that keeps coming up in the fight with their spouse, and now they have long-term, fully engaged relationships with their spouse or with their children.
So what are all of the different types of treatments you guys provide? Yeah.
We have a team of 10 healthcare professionals all working together in an integrated fashion. So we do things, we have naturopathic physicians, we have psychologists, mental health counselors, clinical social workers, marriage and family therapists. We also have massage therapists, acupuncture physicians that are internal medicine physicians as well. So we look at really the mind, the body, and the spirit. Some of our counselors are trained in integrating the spirituality into therapy as well.
But do you guys prescribe medications to people?
What we do differently is we start with the foundation. So somebody might come in and they might have a headache or anxiety or something, but rather than just giving them a pill, we want to look at what's the underlying root issue. So we look at lifestyle, we look at stress management, we look at diet and nutrition. That plays a huge role, and we want ideally to help each client develop their own internal medicine so they won't need to rely on external prescription medication. And in most mild cases, we can treat it with just that. Sometimes we have to look to supplementation, and we find natural alternatives whenever possible, whether that's cannabis related or some other form of natural treatment. And then medication is, I don't want to say last resort. We're not against medication, but we want to make sure they have the foundation first. And then we have physicians that we'll work with if prescription medication is needed.
So does someone need a referral from a doctor to see you guys?
While we do get a lot of referrals from doctors, a referral is not needed. Most people can just pick up the phone and give us a call or find us online. They can come in for a free consultation, whether they're specifically interested in acupuncture or nutrition or weight management or some kind of counseling related issue. If you've never had acupuncture, I'd highly encourage you setting up a free consultation with one of our acupuncture physicians. We use that not only for the traditional like pain management, back, neck, joint pains, but also for depression and anxiety, also for addiction issues like smoking cessation. Acupuncture is very effective to help people quit smoking, or maybe they have a sugar addiction or a chemical substance abuse addiction. Acupuncture is very good for that. And then, of course, acupuncture is very commonly used for fertility. It can be very helpful in helping people get pregnant that have gone through other, maybe traditional approaches like in vitro fertilization or something, and it hasn't worked. Acupuncture can be very effective.
Okay, great. Well, I really appreciate you coming over today. I'm Cy, the IT Guy Williams of Team Logic IT of Orlando. You can reach me at 407-333-0293.
And I'm Dr. John Stiteler with Total Health Guidance, and you can reach us at 321-332-6984.